Labor Day deals at Ace Hardware. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Well, it's actually not just Labor Day deals, it's throughout the whole month. So it's September 1st to 30th. So definitely check it out. Alright, here's the front page. Let's go down to the tool section here. Alright, we got the Craftsman. This is a Craftsman 5 drawer ball bearing tool center. $159. Buy this and get this free. So you're gonna get looks like a Versa stack compatible mechanics tool set, 63 piece metric and SAE mechanics tool set, valued at $69.99. Alright, you got and then the next one down, you got the DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion drill and impact driver kit. This includes two 20 volt batteries and a bit set. So if you buy this 2-tool combo kit, which is the older, I believe is the brushed, it's still great tools, don't get me wrong. You are getting the bit set here, and then you're getting this flashlight, $64 value here. Alright, the next one down. This is the Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium Compact Drill Driver and Impact Driver Kit Combo Kit. It's $199. Buy that and get this battery for free. So this is a 2 amp hour battery. Alright, the next deals that we have, we got the DeWalt and Craftsman saw blades and bit sets. The first one's a 14 piece gold oxide bit set. The other one's a 47 piece driver bit set. Probably this one. And then you got the 10-inch construction circular saw blade. 7 that's a 10-inch. And then you got a 7 1/4 framing circular saw blade pack of 2. Then you got a 10-piece reciprocating saw blade set. And then you got a 20-piece rapid load steel drill bit set. So those are all here. Definitely check them out. They're for $9.99. If you sign up for the rewards, you're gonna get these prices. So definitely check it. It's very easy, and you know, it's pretty much in like couple minutes, and you're done with the sign up of the rewards program that they got. All right, you got the Milwaukee hand tools and accessories. You got a 9-in-1 ratcheting multi-bit screwdriver. You got a 10-inch curved jaw locking pliers. You got a 30-degree tape measure. You got an 18-piece impact driver set. You got a utility knife. You got a 12 feet straight jaw or 12-inch straight jaw group joint pliers. So definitely check it out. You got the RV Marine antifreeze here. You got a motor oil, 2 for $6. Got some LED lights. Let's see what else, if they got any more tools. You got some grills here at the bottom. I'm not gonna go over the grills, obviously, because we are a tool channel, but there they are. If you want to look at it, pause the video, rewind it. Alright, you got some Eagle here. Eagle Power Tools 56 volt 530 CFM handheld blower, $179. This one's the chainsaw. This is an Eagle Power 56 volt 18-inch chainsaw, $369. It says buy these. Let's see here. Let's see if we got any more tools at the bottom here. Got a ladder here. This is a Werner 8 feet fiberglass step ladder or 16 feet aluminum extension ladder for $79.99. Got some shop towels or shop rags. Save $2 instantly on Scott's 200 count rags in a box. Shop towels. It's a pretty good deal. And then you got the tape there. You got a sprayer here, $32.99 for the Ortho 2-gallon tank sprayer. And I guess you get some ground clear long vegetation killer. So for the weeds. You got a nice shop light here. This is Beyond Bright. LED garage light. It says, that's all, $29.99. And then you got the Flex Seal. I guess that's it. Yep, that's it for this ad, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.